When you open up the Start menu on your computer and search for something, it often doesn't show up like we want it to. And when it does, it also brings up web searches which nobody asked for. And sometimes it'll only bring up web searches, even though we know what we're searching for is for sure on our computer. So to fix this, let's open the browser and go to voidtools.com. And then let's download the 64-bit version and install it. And here it is. So now we can search for whatever we want in here, and it'll show us anything that's on our computer. I can even search for JPG, and it'll show me all the JPG image files. Now, because these are system files, I don't have permission to access them, but as you can see, it goes very deep and shows you everything. And you can even go to view here and apply filters to your search. Now, Windows also gives you a bit of filtering here. So you have these filters here, but that is also kind of limited. Yeah, that's not really giving us very much. So all apps, documents, kind of your main things. But if you go into the filters here, there's everything: audio, compressed files, documents, executable files, so that's with a .exe extension, folders, pictures, video. So it gives you a little bit more detailed filter. And then you can even set bookmarks here, like add searches to bookmarks, and then it'll save as JPG. And then you can even get pretty specific with your bookmark to check what you want it to show and how you want it to show. And then if you go into the list here and right click on any of these, you can even open the path. So again, because this is a system file, it's not going to let me do that. Here, let's search for a folder. Now right click on it. Now if we hit open path, it'll open it in a file explorer. And then I have the path up here. So it's inside users, Bernard Schmidt desktop, so that I know this is on my desktop. And if you go to the Start menu here and search for the same thing and right click on it, you can open file location and copy path. But from here, you can open it, you can open the path, copy the full name of this folder, and there's just a bunch more options here that you can do. So this gets pretty deep into search. So if you want to search for anything at all on your computer, use everything. It'll make it a lot easier.